facing a problem of you unable to remove a payment method due to an active subscription, here's a step-by-step guide on how to fix it. Go ahead to your browser and try to log in using your credentials. Right? So I'm gonna log in using my Apple account. Right? And then what I'm gonna do after I log in, I'm gonna just wait for a few moments. Right? You're gonna see your Apple account. Next to it, you're gonna see like an arrow thing, and click the payment and shipping. Right? And then you're gonna be able right here to delete the payment method, right, and add a new one. So next, what you're gonna do, we're gonna cancel all subscriptions. So go ahead to the settings, click your name at the top, go ahead to the subscriptions, right, and basically cancel all the subscriptions you made or any active subscription currently on Apple. So we're gonna cancel this, right? I'm gonna go through the process of confirming that I want to cancel this subscription. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.